everyone, today I'll be making cafe coffee cookies. What all goes into the cafe coffee cookies? 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup or 1 stick butter softened, 1 egg, 1½ cups flour, 1 tablespoon instant coffee granules, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup chopped pecans, 1 bag semisweet chocolate chunks. I don't have the chunks, I got just the chips. I don't have the 2 cups in this bag, but I do have more. For the coffee drizzle, need 1/2 teaspoon of instant coffee granules, 1 tablespoon water, and 1/2 cup powdered sugar. So let's begin. Preheat oven to 350. Take a large bowl, dump in your softened butter, your 1 egg, your 1/2 cup of granulated white sugar, the 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, and beat that with an electric mixer on medium speed until creamy. So to this mix, dump in your flour, which is 1½ cups, your 1/4 teaspoon of salt, the 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and the 1 tablespoon of instant coffee granules, and stir that until well mixed. Dump in your 2 cups of the chocolate chips or chocolate chunks, and the 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, and mix those until thoroughly combined. Take a rounded tablespoon and put them about 2 inches apart on an ungreased cookie sheet. So put your cafe coffee cookies in a preheated 350-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. So as you can see, they are browning on the top. We let them cool for 4 minutes and then move them to a wire rack to cool completely before we ice them. So they're all out of the oven. That made 27 cookies. We'll let them cool completely, about 30 minutes, and then we will ice it. So the cookies are cool. We will make the icing now. We have the 1 tablespoon water, and we're going to take a 1/2 teaspoon of the granulated instant coffee and pour that into the water and mix that up. In this bowl I have a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and I'm going to pour the coffee into the powdered sugar and mix that up. And you want it drizzle consistency. If it is too thick, you can add a little bit more water. If it's too thin, you can add a little bit more powdered sugar. That looks pretty good as soon as I get the rest of the lumps out. All right, so I have my icing here, and we're just going to drizzle over each cookie. Just like that. And I'll finish these up. We can plate it up and then do a taste test. So here are the cafe coffee cookies, and we did do a coffee icing on top. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I was trying to guess what that icing stuff is. Kind of looks like peanut butter.
What's it taste like?
Well, I didn't get very much of it. Almost tastes mapley. I can't really tell The chocolate's pretty strong.
Those are cafe coffee cookies. The cookies and the icing both have instant coffee in them.
Okay. So is the icing, is it peanut butter? Is it some kind of a maple?
No, it's coffee and powdered sugar.
Oh, really? Well, I kind of got the sugary part. That's what I was thinking. It was peanut butter with sugar in it, but then it didn't really taste like peanut butter, and it didn't really taste mapley, but, you know, the color. But now that you say it's coffee, now the color makes more sense to me.
Yep, and the cookie has coffee in it as well.
Okay. Well, the chocolate's real noticeable. I'm not getting a whole lot of coffee flavor per se. Oh, I smell it more than I taste it. No, actually,
Now that you know you can taste it?
yeah. Now that I know that it's in there, now I can identify it. I was thinking it was mostly the chocolate that had the dominant flavor, and I still think it's the chocolate, but there is a noticeable amount of coffee in there.
Well, there's a lot more chocolate in there than there is coffee.
Yeah, it's a pretty decent little combination. So I don't think any of these are gonna get. Let me try that again in English. I don't think any of these are going to get wasted. I like them.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.